So this is a 20 feet expandable container with nice glass doors in front. And the customer, he requires to add a roof, a double roof. We just test erect the frame because we need to deliver them. The customer will install the roof locally with our supplied roof panels and accessories. So this is the roof panels with the same color as the external wall. And this is the flashing, the ridge cover and the flashings. So we have all packed them well, and this one will be put inside the expandable container for shipment. Okay, let's take a look at the outside. See the plumbing, sewage and drainage has been the pipes has been installed in factory already. This is the industrial electrical socket, and it has tongue and groove, and locally you just connect with your local electricity and then it can work. Okay, let's take a look at inside. The covers have not been installed. You know, the covers of this the size, it has not been installed because it will be installed locally. We will put all the covers on shipment. Once the customer he open the container and erect the expandable container, and then he can install the flashing there, all covered, and also cover here, and also inside we provide all the covers. This is the room. Another room, 2 bedrooms. So this is a socket already installed, American standard. So let's take a look at the bathroom. Wash basin, toilet, mirror, and then the shower. We have separated them. This is the bed area. Actually, here should be the kitchen area based on the design, and then this is the living room area. This is the front entrance door, and then 2 bedrooms, and then the bathroom. It is small, but it's not too small. It's very functional. It is around 37 square meters totally, so it's very suitable for vacational house. It's suitable for office. It's suitable for Airbnb accommodation. The good thing of this item is that it requires minimum installation locally, because everything has been installed except you need to put the furnitures inside. You need to if you have the needs of this gable roof, and then you need to install the roof panels with the steel structure. This is the roof panel and the covers, as I have explained. This is the roof trusses. It will be shipped knocked down, and yeah, all the bolts and screws have been supplied, and it is very functional, and it's also very beautiful configurations. Prefab expandable containers. For the external cladding, we can change to different cladding, like this is wood line on the left side, This is sky blue on the right side. It depends on your lights. Now it's at night. You see the texture of the brick. It's pretty good. The windows we use casement window.